I could like theme my life, it would be Kate Spade. Ah! Somewhere on this earth are nasty. Oh, it is hot in here. It never leaves me. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do another what's in my bag, but today I'm going to be showing you what's in my Gucci Soho Disco bag. I absolutely love this bag. From pretty much the moment that I got it, I have been reaching for this almost exclusively. I still do use my Louis Vuitton Never Full bag a lot. That is a staple and it's just a great everything bag, but I have to say, this is deceivingly large. Like I know it's not tiny, but I know it's not ginormous, but you can fit a lot of stuff in here. And this is just a great bag to throw stuff in if you're going downtown for me and I don't want to be carrying my large bag. This is awesome. Plus the Neverfull doesn't have a zipper, so this one does, so I feel a little bit like things are more secure. So let's just get into it. So right away I'm going to open it up for you and just show you everything that I have in here. And not the only thing that I don't carry on a daily basis is my camera, but you guessed it, my camera totally fits in here, so I'll pull that out first. What I love about this purse is that I have the ability to put everything that I need in here as well as my camera. And when I went downtown with my class for a field trip, I really wanted to bring this, but I didn't want to be carrying my backpack or my Neverfull because I just didn't want to, you know, be stuck with lugging around such a big bag. And I was so happy that this fit in there, and it was kind of the first time that I had done that. Usually I stick it in my pocket or something. I think that that is so awesome, and for me that's such a must. The next thing in my bag that I carry around is another, well, it's something that you saw from my last video, and it is the Louis Vuitton key case. And I like this especially when I carry around the camera because I know that it's not going to scratch. Now I have one pulled out, but I like to do that so that I don't have to like open everything up. And like I talked about before, it's just nice because I know that my phone and my camera is not going to get scratched inside of my purse, as well as I'm not digging around looking for keys. I'm just grabbing this little wallet and pulling it out, and it's all in one spot. Okay, the next thing is my phone. I have the iPhone 8 Plus, and it definitely easily fits inside the purse. And I got this Kate Spade phone case from Winners, which I thought was such a great deal. It was like 18 bucks. Can't go wrong. I love Kate Spade. If I could like theme my life, it would be Kate Spade. Next, I have my Invisalign case. There's no Invisalign in here right now, but I carry this around obviously because I can't eat with Invisalign in, and I want to make sure that I don't lose them. So this goes right inside here, it fits with everything else, and this is, for me, a must. I have to carry this around. Next is my Nest Indigo Rollerball. This is my absolute favorite perfume ever. I wear this sparingly, more for special occasions. On a day-to-day basis, I usually wear Kate Spade, of course. But this is my favorite. If you haven't smelled this, go to Sephora and try this. It is unlike, to me, this is unlike anything that I've ever smelled. Every time I wear this, I get so many compliments. I don't know why I don't wear this every day. Maybe I should start wearing it again. But I carry this around to freshen myself up when I need it. Okay, next thing I carry is a staple I feel like in every girl's. If you shop at Sephora, there's a great chance that you have this little Sephora mirror. But what I like to do is, I think there's only one in here, but I actually like to stick my bobby pins. Yeah, there's one in here just for emergencies, because I don't like when bobby pins are floating all around my bag. So I like to put them in there, and I just keep that in my purse. I also have my Kate Spade wallet. Somebody asked me what wallet this was, and I don't know. I actually got this at the Kate Spade outlet quite a while ago. I want to say like 6 to 7 months ago, and I never saw it online, but I really like this because it's small, it's compact, it fits everything that I need, but still it's not heavy and ginormous. And again, it just fits perfectly for this purse. Getting down to the bottom, I don't carry a ton of stuff in here. I really like this Sephora Coconut Lip Balm. Especially this winter, cannot go anywhere without lip balm. I also have this hand sanitizer, but first champagne. I love hand sanitizer. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Okay, getting down to the bottom, I believe this was in my other video, but I have not stopped using this lip combo. This is my Milani Matte Naked lipstick with NYX, I think this is Suede Shoes. Nude Suede Shoes lip liner and Buxom Dolly, and that's what I'm wearing right now. That is my go-to, my everyday, my going out. I just love this lip combo. It's really hard for me to find a lip combo that I like, or just lip color that I feel like looks good on me and my skin tone. So this goes with me everywhere. It goes in every purse, every backpack, every bag, everything. Never leaves me. And last but not least is I have one of these like plastic hair elastics, which I love these things. I cannot go back to like a fabric elastic, rubber elastic anymore. These things are the best. That's about it. That's what's in my Gucci Soho Disco. So I hope that you liked this video. If you have any requests for a different type of video or a different type of bag, or even questions about this bag, let me know in the comment section down below and I will respond to them as soon as I can. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!